Good day. We are here now to present on how you're gonna install Ubuntu or a Linux distro to your computer. I'm here today with Jeff, Dean, Hans, and Mark to guide you. So here are the steps.
Step 1. Open the VirtualBox. Click the New button. Name your virtual operating system to Ubuntu. Click the Next button. Then set up your memory size, at least 8 GB of size.
Step 3. Click the empty button. In optical drive, choose the disk file. Then select your ISO.
Step 4. Click the Start Navigator in the main menu and hit the Start button and the button will start up.
Step 5. Configuring. Select your preferred language to English and click Install Ubuntu button. Select your keyboard layout to English US. Click Continue. Click Continue again. Click Install Now. Choose your preferred region. While booting your Ubuntu OS, go to Settings, click Storage, click Ubuntu ISO file, go to Optical Drive, then click Remove Disk from Virtual Drive. Okay.
After the installation of the Ubuntu OS, this tab will show up and click Restart Now. Once the loading is finished, please enter the corresponding password and the user. And here we are. Welcome to the Ubuntu OS Linux distribution. Going to skip here.